actions, by rearranging words. Darkness doesn't break in, we open every door. We build our own cage, we draw our own line. At the end of the road, no more time. At the end of the road, no more time. At the end of the road, no more time. Blackbird tears my soul apart, I raised it on my own. Fed it every choice I made, every seed that I have sown. We twist the truth with clever words, repaint the sinner's fate. Turn the wrong into it had to be, turn the poison into fate. One justification at a time, the darkness finds its way. We open up the chambers while we swear that we're okay. The bird was never a stranger, it grew inside my chest. Now it tears me from within. No silence, no blackbird tears my soul apart. Angels and demons split the earth into day and night. Only at the edge of the abyss you understand the real price of every breath, every lie. We justify our actions by rearranging words. Darkness doesn't break it, we open every door. We build our own cage, we draw our own line. At the end of the road, no more time. Blackbird, no more time. Blackbird, at the end of the road, no more time. Only at the edge of the abyss, when the ground begins to break, you feel the weight of every step, every choice, every mistake. No more stories, no more games, no more words left to rearrange. Just cold air and the final truth staring you in the face. We build ourselves with